Hi and welcome to the Ebike Touring Life channel. My name is Andrew Flood and at this point I have bike packed about 7,000 kilometres around Ireland and the Scottish Highlands and Islands. I've also done a certain amount in Wales and in England. I set up this channel so I can show you my day-to-day video diaries, some longer road footage, and also some other things like reviews of material that I have put a lot of hours into using, so I'm pretty sure of just how good they are. First content I started with was road footage and then day-by-day diaries. I have two sets of those. The first is the Irish Coast Cycle, which is here, and so that's me cycling around the entire Irish coastline. I haven't quite completed it yet. I'm about 4,400 kilometres down, and I think I probably have 30 to 40 days so far, but you can start watching those. And then the second set is this summer I took myself off to the Scottish Islands and Highlands. You'll find that here, and this is basically 29 days footage of me cycling around first of all the Western Islands, then across the top and around Orkney, down to Inverness, and then down the Great Glen. As well as those day-by-day diaries, and I think they're worth following the channel on their own foot, so you can do that down there. As well as those, though, the other thing I've started doing is reviewing the various gear I'm using, including my bike, my tent, sleeping mats, all that sort of thing. But I'm only doing reviews after I have used them for considerable periods of time. So the bike, I waited till I'd done 6,000 kilometres of touring on. The tent, it's about 150 nights sleeping in it, etc. And all of these things are actually things I've had problems with and I've had to get repaired. So these aren't sort of one of these reviews that goes, oh, everything is wonderful. Rather, it's sort of pluses and minuses. Pulling in here for a quick check to see if this is the sort of place you might get away with while camping. The next category of content I intend to have, and I've not done this yet, is advocacy videos. Basically, I think electric bikes are quite transformative. They're quite important in terms of the climate crisis. And one of the things they enable us to do is to take holidays that have a very much lower impact in terms of production of CO2 than would be the case anyway. You know, I can go for a month around Scotland. I've spent 7 or 8 weeks travelling around Ireland. My actual environmental impact of doing that is almost the same as it would be if I just sat at home. That's not true of flying places. It's also not necessarily true if you're driving around. So one of the things I'm going to start doing with the channel is making the arguments for why this is good, what structures are needed to support it, for instance, points where you can recharge bikes, and also to start to argue for a reconsideration of issues around wild camping in Ireland, where basically there's been a chain of councils trying to ban camping at beaches and other places people traditionally camp, and instead look at something that's more like the Scottish model, which is based on, first of all, having a right to access the land, and then saying, well, what limitations do we need to put on that? We can't have people camping in front gardens. That's another sort of content I intend to do in the future. My first experiences of touring by bike were with an old school pedal only bike. But once I started trying electric bikes, I discovered those were quite transformative. The problem I had with the old pedaling one only was that after the third day, I'd get up and my legs would want to give up after about 20 or 30 kilometres. With an electric bike, I'm now able to keep going day after day, week after week for quite considerable periods of time. 30 weeks in the tough terrain of the Scottish Highlands is my current record on that. This means that electric bikes make it far more possible for more people to take up cycle touring as an interest. It massively expands the potential audience of people who can do it. It also makes it easier for people as they get older to continue doing it, or if they hit health issues, particularly around heart, for instance, to give them at least a few more years, maybe another decade, maybe 2 more decades of still being able to tour. So they're quite transformative. I'm becoming quite an advocate for them. So that's a very quick introduction to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments about this, and yes, give it a follow if you haven't done so already. I hope this has grabbed your attention though, and if you think this is a good idea and it's worthwhile, do give this video a thumbs up so it gets out to more people. Thank you.